Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert Lazada coins to Lazada wallet. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure you're running the latest version of the Lazada app. To check, simply open your Google Play Store and search for Lazada. If there is an update available, you will see an update button. Tap on it and the app will automatically update. Now, open the Lazada app and make sure you're logged into your account. To convert your Lazada coins to your wallet, go to the Account tab at the lower right portion of your screen. Scroll down until you find the section labeled My Lazada Wallet. This will appear if you have any Lazada coins. Next, tap on the PHP button and then tap Activate. You will need to enter your phone number and tap Get Code to receive a verification code. After entering the code, your Lazada wallet will be activated. Once activated, your Lazada coins will automatically be converted into your Lazada wallet. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Lazada coins to your Lazada wallet. So that's basically how you can convert Lazada coins to Lazada wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.